Merry Christmas everyone. You thought we were gone for the year, but we have an extra present for you. We've taught you how to make a Christmas dinner, and now we're going to teach you what to do with the leftovers, if you have any. Let's get it. Now, I want to make a toasty. I've got some stuff in here that's left over, those stunning stuffing balls with the chestnut that we made. I've just sliced those down into pieces. I've got my pigs and blankets, again, taken them onto the board and just sliced them through. The carcass from my turkey, I've taken the leg, ripped it apart and just taken all that stunning dark meat out of the leg and a little bit of shredded breast as well. And you basically end up with this gnarly looking tray of leftovers. Good hunk of bread. And we're going to take 2 slices. Now when you're making a toasty, mayonnaise is vital. Just gives you a really nice golden brown, even coating over your slices of bread. So take your mayo and spread it down. You're going to take your spreaded side, flip that over, do the other side again. Now you should have made the cranberry sauce. If you have any of that left over, now's the time to stick it on the bread. If not, then a jar will do. And just spread that all across. Now first we go stuffing, layer that down, then cheese. I like to put cheese in my toasties because it sort of melts everything together. So we take a microplane or a grater and you grate some cheese over that initial layer. Pigs in blankets, all sliced up, straight on with the cheese. Now we've got our shredded, beautiful leg meat from the turkey that goes all over the top. Touch more cheese and we take our lid, bit more of your cranberry sauce, evenly spread across the bread. Lid on, give it a good press down, and then we're finishing off that top layer with another little squirt of mayo. Now I've got a thick bottom pan here. I'm gonna bring that up to a medium-high heat. I've just got a little bit of duck fat left over. A little drizzle of that into the bottom of the pan and a knob of butter. Now when your butter is golden brown, foaming, pick up your sarnie and then just lay that in. Give it a press down with your spatula and get that caramelizing on a medium heat. After about 2 to 3 minutes, that should be stunning golden brown with the foaming butter just licking up the side of the sandwich. Take your spatula, stick it in and flip, exposing that deep golden brown caramelization that's been helped along by the mayonnaise. Give that a good press down and we caramelize the other side. Once that's beautiful and golden brown, probably been another 2 to 3 minutes. Just lift it up, place that onto a clean baking tray. Now at this stage, this can be done a couple of hours in advance, half an hour in advance. Get all your sandwiches built, caramelized up, individually on trays, and then when the time comes, bang your oven on 160 degrees. We're just gonna chuck it in there for about 4 to 5 minutes and it'll be stunning and steamy. The cheese will melt and turn it into that iconic leftover toasty. 5 minutes in the oven and that is stunning. You can smell the sage and the onions starting to warm up in that stuffing. The cheese melting and bringing all those stunning layers together. Now, if there's one thing I love to do with a sarnie, that's dip it in some banging gravy. We've got a little bit left over here from the Christmas dinner. We're just gonna warm that up, pour it into a little jar, get this thing chopped in half, take that beautiful hot steaming slice and then dip it in that stunning, rich pot of gravy. Now we hope you've all had an absolutely fantastic day, a fantastic year. If you've subscribed to us this year, thank you so much. What we're trying to build here is only ever gonna work if you guys give us the support that you have been. So like, subscribe, tell all your mates about it, and we've got plenty more recipes coming out next year. That's our leftover Christmas sarnie. We've got the pigs in blankets in there, the stuffing, the leg meat from your turkey, but it could be beef, it could be gammon, it could be pork, whatever meat you've got left over. If you're feeling that way inclined, you could bang a roast potato in this, good amount of cheese, that all important layer of mayonnaise and a good bit of cranberry. Dunked in some of your favorite gravy as one of my favorite sarnies and a great way to finish Christmas. And thank you all.